So filling up over here at Fort Independence, and I go around here because I'm about to fill up the little gas right here, and I noticed that the freaking basket filled. Looks like it just sheared off right here. That is crazy. So we were driving down the road like this the entire time, and what was holding it up is, if you know me, I like to secure all my gear, and I actually put a little, this is a bike chain. It's a really strong chain, and so this was dangling here, I guess, like that. It probably broke when we were on that Hogsback Road. Crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna fix this. Gonna get the tent, mount it up top, throw it up top there, ratchet it down, put the wood in this thing. I'm just gonna pull over so people can fill up on some gas. So driving freaking 80 miles an hour, or you know, set under 80 miles an hour actually. More like 72. So this was dangling like that on the highway, I guess. Let's go fix this up. This was not supposed to happen. Just gonna grab some of this wood. I just bought this bag. It's not gonna fit. There you go. Alright, so it looks like it was doing it for a walk. It's like this is melted, which means that this was held over at the exhaust right here, so this melted off, and this ratchet just broke on me. We need to fix this. Because we're gonna need this strap. Okay. Here we go. I think this, oh, but the plastic melted, I think.
Can we find a replacement?
Alright, so I locked this thing up. Wait, don't look at my key code.
Oh.
Yeah, this thing just like right here, just sheared off. It's
oh man.
Yep. You know what? I was driving like 80 miles, well, like 75 miles an hour down the highway with it, just broke like that. The only thing holding it up was, I let, you know, $350 in. I don't want someone to snatch it, so I used a chain bike lock. It's a good thing I had that.
You got to store everything inside. And
I'm gonna throw that up top, ratchet strap it.
You need another ratchet strap?
I might actually. Dude, I might have some cash.
Don't worry about it.
No.
Hey, find those ratchet straps. No.
At least let me give you $5.
No.
$10.
Dude, these ratchet straps, don't worry about it.
I appreciate it because my ratchet strap was held up on the exhaust and melted. So it doesn't work anymore.
Down on the floor. Well, you know what? We got some rope. Yeah, that'll work. Here. This is using.
Oh, I don't need one.
You only need one?
Yeah.
Take what you want, leave what you can.
This is, I left what I could.
Huh?
I left you a $10 bill on your seat there.
Don't worry. No, man.
No.
I don't want you worrying, man.
No, it's all good. I understand. I wouldn't want anyone's money either, but
no.
You know what? I just happen to have $10 in my wallet. It's rare that I keep cash. I appreciate it, man.
I don't want your money, man.
I appreciate you checking on me, though.
I just saw that, man. I was like, oh, man.
That's gnarly, right? Like,
yeah.
Oh, come on. I'll just take it.
Come on.
Give it a friend. Give it a friend.
Those are my sons. I can't
Oh.
do it.
Yeah.
Don't want your money.
All right, we're giving to my cousin then.
Oh, no. We
Yeah,
know.
I could.
Take your money. Take
I
the
know,
money.
we
Take
know.
it. There you
No.
go.
All right. All right. Hey, thank you, Dan. Thanks.
Thank
John.
you.
John, nice to meet you.
Nice
Thank
to meet you.
you.
Thank you. That's awesome. Hey, it's caught on video too. Well, that was pretty sweet. Nice. You came in clutch, man. Because aluminum, but I think the top, it could just like rivet it. So if I put too much pressure on the top, it'll like pop down. But if I get it just on the edge right here,
Yeah.
and
Is this empty or?
no, it's pretty full.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, but I got it. Let's throw it up.
Let's switch to throw it up top, man.
Hey, Hefe, can I, this thing broke. Can I throw it away in the back? It just, this broke right here.
Uh-huh.
Can I throw it in the back?
Yeah.
All right.
I mean, and those,
Yeah, I just didn't want to legally dump or anything like that. But it just broke on the freeway.
oh yeah?
Yeah.
That thing, I
Yeah.
can make it strong.
You know what? I could buy a new one. I'm gonna buy a new one
Yeah,
because it's kind of a pain having to carry it like this. You know, I bought that at Walmart, maybe for like $50.
Oh yeah?
I got it from Walmart, maybe $50.
Oh, I think somebody, made it.
Yeah. Want to put it in your cart?
Yeah, up. I take it.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, thank you.
Oh, you're
I
no,
I
thank you.
appreciate you help.
Thank you.
And my gift.
Oh no, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, reach.
So Hannah, can you help me? What you're gonna do is just make sure this stays right here, okay?
Which one?
This just stays right there and doesn't go.
So I have to look at it from time to time?
What's that?
I have to look at it from time to time?
No, it's good. We're gonna tighten that right now. Honeycomb. Alright. That looks good. Then we're going to do the same thing. Leg scratcher coming in handy here. That's good. That's so crazy, Hannah.
Yeah. Good thing you saw it.
Yeah, I mean, We were driving with it for a while, for like 20 miles. Just take your polo, put it back here so it doesn't get dirty.
Yeah.
All right, we're ready. Continue on. Thank you, Anna.
Welcome.
Not ideal, but what we had to do is just ratchet strap the gazelle tent up there. You know, that basket just so convenient. I actually might just stop by, see if I can find another one like at a sporting goods store or something.